G. Come on. Fake-ass niggas. Emo. He probably got stuck by now for that shit right there. Yeah. Blood pulsating, adrenaline flowing. Full moon that night, on the stoop getting right. I never forget the day before. Son told me to tuck my ice in, cause niggas is trifling. We did what he said, but the habit in me wasn't showing off. I still let my chain swing free, not really thinking about a setup or even getting wet up that summer night from Sons Advice. So I proceed to parlay like I do a BK, but this wasn't home, and niggas should've known to stay on point. Niggas should've been on point, and the price paid was looking down the barrel of a joint. We was dead meat, and them niggas was wolves, but they didn't want our flesh, them niggas wanted the jewels. It happened so quick, no time to get afraid. First instinct was to run like a slave. Me and Schoolie Boy was boxed in. My man used a few feet away with a pound in his face. I look, sun in his eyes, cause I know how he is. While the other faggot nigga had the gun in my ribs. I thought, fuck, shit about to get buck wild. Popped off my chain, threw it with a coconut smile. Thinking leave already, but them niggas wasn't done. They went in our pockets to change numbers and bubble gum now. How low can a low life get? Asking what size on my kicks, like I'm a